Welcome back, everyone. I'm Matthew, this is Tim. We are with Johnson Pump Marine. Today, we're gonna be talking about the Johnson Pump Aqua Jet Washdown Pump. Now, Tim, as you know, after a long day on the water with your family or out fishing with your buddies, your boat is usually a mess, which means having a quiet, pulsation-free diaphragm washdown pump is a perfect solution to quickly and easily clean your boat at the end of the day. These pumps actually come in a 3.5 gallon per minute or a 5.2 gallon per minute. Now, these are also available as either pump only, pump with pistol, or as a full kit.
All right, Matt, so let's take a look what's inside the box. Your standard pump, washdown hose, pistol, you've got a couple different click-tight, quick connectors, and you've got an inlet strainer. Tell me about the inlet strainer.
Well, the Johnson Pump washdowns come with a 40 mesh stainless steel inlet strainer, as well as a replaceable acrylic top.
Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing Johnson Pump.